Here's another cultural regions of America map. Now, once again, I don't fully agree with the exact outlines. However, I do think this one's better than many of them. Zooming in a little bit, we can see some of the different points. Now, this one at least does show Utah and Idaho mostly in the same territory. Now, I feel like that line is a little bit off. I would say it should be a little bit further south. However, I do think that more of these deserty regions, especially in western Utah, are more similar to Nevada. And then with southern Utah, it's very similar in St. George to a place like Phoenix. Similarly, Crescent City definitely feels a lot more like Oregon than it does like California. I don't know if I would classify Redding or Chico in the North State to be considered part of the Central Valley in California. Now, looking at this portion of the map, once again, like I've said, I don't know the East Coast nearly as well, so I can't really speak to the specific levels of where certain things should go and where these exact lines are. And I feel like one of the problems with one of these types of maps is trying to find those exact lines is definitely not easy to do. You're going to have to tell me, is this a more accurate representation of the cultural regions of the United States?